Filtration system to the Great Barrier. The water is heated. How good is this? 1,000 crocs, but the incidence only 0.4%. So the numbers of crocodiles have absolutely nothing to do with human and crocodile related incidents. In fact, it's always our behaviour in croc country that dictates these incidents. Good boy, Crunchy, good boy. Now what happens, good boy Crunch, they'll constrict their blood vessels, arteries and veins to that area and stop themselves from bleeding out. Now you can see the size of the big fella. We weren't lying. Make some noise